Okay, so I'm going to be talking about body creams. So here is our super half cast body cream. So a lot of you don't know that even if you're not rubbing this product, any like even if it's not my product, if you're rubbing any lightening product from any skincare brand, at least if you have a hard skin, rub 2 weeks straight up, morning and night, to have a very good result, to really see the cream work. And if a cream must work for you, try to exfoliate your body. Try to go to the spa to do body polishing, scrub your skin, steam it. It makes your cream works faster for you. Then, when you are already light, now this super half cast has given you the shade you like, your skin is glowing, everybody's saying, wow, you're looking nice. Get a moisturizing cream. Get a moisturizing. Most of you don't believe, you think you just rub half cast cream straight 3 months. That's wrong. My product or not, any product, Fair and White, for example, I have a lot of clients pile up that will claim Fair and White was bad, but to me, Fair and White is not bad. Yes, the cream is good, also good on some people, because those people know how to use it. You hear some people tell me, madam, I use my Fair and White 3 times a week. I have a moisturizing cream, Nivea, that is not lightening I use. I'll just give you an example of other products for my other customers, but if you want to do organic, you can try us. Our super half cast body cream, you rub maximum 2 weeks back to back, then you use a moisturizing cream. Even if you don't want to get ours, you can also get Nivea. I'm always saying Nivea because Nivea is actually mild. Nivea, not the lightening one, just the normal one. You moisturize with it. You rub, then when you notice you're getting dim, you go back to your super half cast. You substitute. So if you are the skin that they already have green veins naturally, this method will help you glow and your green veins won't show. Yeah. If you already have stretch marks and you don't want to be too fair, this method can also help you. So try to skip your creams. Yeah, try to skip your creams. Try to know when your skin has gotten to its limits. Some of you will rub cream till your knuckles get so dark. Now, the knuckles are naturally dark because they are folded. We don't really use those areas. So it's not good for you to rub a cream so much, like back. No, you have to moisturize. Sometimes the knuckles are dried. Yes, the palm is always dry. Some people moisturize. Some people have a moisturizer in their bag. So try to moisturize your knuckles, moisturize your cream. Know your cream limits. Know your limits to a lightening cream. You will have green veins that are showing on your face. You could rub face cream every day. If you are fair enough, your lightening face cream once in 3 times